Mom, come on. Come on, Rufus. Come on, Mom, get up. I said, stand back, Lost. Mother, I said get up. Get it right now. No, no! Come on, Mom. Get up now. Someone cut off her head. Somebody cut off her head.
Clean off.
Stand back.
Mom,
Wake up.
it's no use.
It's no use. She's dead. We're gonna get him.
You ready? Gonna die.
You ready, Amos? You ready, Rufus?
I'm ready.
You got it, Ishmael? Let's go get him. It's really a sad day, ain't it, Amos?
Oh, sure right, Ish.
I better call Daddy.
Yeah, better get him on.
Better make him aware. Where's he located at? I better find out.
Somewhere in the southeast of Asia.
Is he in Laos?
Maybe so.
Try.
Try.
Let me punch the code. Hey, Big Dad. Guess what happened? Somebody killed Mom. Okay, we're gonna get them, and we're gonna cut their heads off. I'm sorry, Amos.
That's
we're gonna cut their heads off and eat it for dinner. Okay? All right, thanks, Dad. We'll talk to you later. All right. All right. Rufus has got the head right now. He's gonna bring it to you on a silver platter. All right. Bye bye. Come on, let's go. Okay.
Hey, Rufus, Ish, y'all about through in there?
Yeah, we developed the gun. Now we just gotta pick a few parts out with a clamp.
All right.
We've developed a gamma ray gun, and it can dissolve anything in its path.
That's pretty smart.
You think? We haven't tested it. We're gonna test it on my friend's facial impairment. That needs to be happening. Where's old Rambo these days? Where's Dad? You know Rambo?
Oh, I don't know. Somewhere in Swaziland, I suppose.
Alright, you ready to test it? I took all the electromagnetic particles out.
You better stand
Everyone
back.
stand back.
Yeah, stand back on this one. Ready?
Did it. Alright.
Sure did work.
Well, that was a good one, Ish. I mean, excuse me, Rufus. Got you, Ish. That's my
That's
name.
your name, eh?
Well,
Oh, we did it now. We
now
got the ultimate weapon.
now let's go get the mom killer. Let's go.
Hey, Daddy Rambo, what you done?
Pump it iron, son. Where's Ishmael?
He's outside.
Yeah, I think he went down to the store to get some victuals.
Where's Ishmael, though? Is he the one that went to get the victuals?
Yeah, Dad.
Yeah, Dad Rambo.
Are you Amos? And is that Rufus?
That's me, Dad, yeah.
That's me, Dad.
No, that's say Daddy Rambo next time, sons.
I'm sorry, Dad.
Daddy Rambo, we're sorry.
Okay,
Let's
go
get
get
it.
Ishmael now, son.
All right.
Yes, sir,
let's go.
Daddy Rambo.
Ishmael must not have been home. I think he's over at old
I think
Ezekiel's or Habakkuk's, one of the
one
two.
of those, maybe Jonas. Let's go.
Let's see.
Oh, Daddy's dead.
Daddy, wake up!
He
Wake
can't
up.
be dead.
No. Somebody must have killed him. Look. There's big bruises on his stomach where they bashed him.
Yeah.
We're gonna kill them. Let's get out of here. We're gonna kill them.
No, hey, Amos, come back, me and I was just over there with Habakkuk. We were having a little archery contest at each other. Pretty fun. I only got it twice. Where's Rufus? Hey, Amos, where's Rufus?
I'm here, Ed. It's something tragic happened.
What happened now? What happened?
Dad. Yeah, Ish, I hate to tell you this. Somebody came in, Dad's working out, we went to go fetch him over to bucket.
Yeah.
Someone came in and it looks like they repeatedly bashed him in the stomach and he was choked to death by his weights.
But he's okay though, right?
No,
He's dead.
dead Ish.
Oh no, he's okay, isn't he?
No, Ish.
He's dead.
Don't kid yourself, Ish. He's dead.
He's gone, Ish. I hate to tell you.
Who did it?
The weights were
Don't
just so
know, Ish.
tremendous. He works out so much that it just crushed his neck. It collapsed.
The weights were so much?
Yes.
Who did this terrible act of death?
We're gonna find him. That's for
We're
sure.
gonna find him, Ish.
It's y'all's fault, y'all know. It's both of y'all's fault.
No.
Y'all left the place coming after me. Y'all knew I was a backer.
Ish,
Y'all knew I was
calm
over
down,
there
Ish.
shooting bow and arrows at him. Y'all knew it. What's wrong with y'all?
We're sorry.
It's y'all's fault.
But Daddy told us to.
Y'all,
Can't argue with
it's
that.
y'all's fault. But
We're gonna kill
let's
him.
kill him anyway.
Let's go.
Get back here, boy. Come here, boy.